Planning a trip abroad is always exciting, but packing for it? That can be a whole different story. I mean, how do you know what to bring without overpacking or missing something important? You don't want to carry a heavy suitcase full of stuff you don't need, but at the same time, you want to be prepared for whatever comes your way. Whether you're heading to a tropical beach, a bustling city, or some remote mountain village, packing right can totally change how your trip feels. So, today, I'm sharing the 10 must-have things to pack for your next international adventure. These essentials will keep you comfortable, organized, and ready to enjoy every moment of your trip. Let's jump right into it. 10. Passport and travels. Documents. The absolute #1 thing you can't forget is your passport. Seriously, no passport, no trip. But it's not just about having it with you. It needs to be valid for the right amount of time. Most countries want your passport to be valid for at least 6 months past your travel dates. So, check that before you book anything. Besides the passport itself, you should also pack any necessary visas or travel permits you might need. Sometimes, those can take a while to get, so have them sorted in advance. Another smart tip is to bring printed copies of all your important documents: flight tickets, hotel confirmations, travel insurance, and emergency contacts. Keep a set of these copies. Separate from the originals, just in case you lose something. Also, save digital versions on your phone or a cloud account. You never know when you might need them, especially in a foreign place. 9. Power adapter and chargers. Next up is something you might overlook but will quickly miss: a power adapter. Different countries have different plug shapes and voltages, so your charger might not work if you don't have the right adapter. Bringing a universal travel adapter is the easiest way to solve this. It covers most types of plugs around the world. Along with that, make sure to pack all your device chargers: phones, cameras, tablets, or laptops. It's easy to forget one, and then you're stuck. Also, think about bringing a portable power bank. Having extra battery power when you're out all day is a lifesaver. Imagine being able to keep your phone charged to use maps, translate languages, or take photos without worrying about finding an outlet. It's one of those small things that make a big difference. 8. Comfortable shoes. You're going to be walking a lot during your international trip, no matter where you go. So, comfortable shoes are essential. This is not the time to break in new shoes or bring anything that pinches or rubs. Good walking shoes or sneakers are perfect because they support your feet and handle different surfaces, from city sidewalks to hiking trails. If you're going somewhere warm, breathable shoes or sandals with good grip can also be useful. Just make sure whatever you bring is broken in and feels good after hours on your feet. It's always better to bring one pair of shoes that you love rather than 2 or 3 that you only sort of like. Your feet will thank you every day. 7. Clothing for the climate and activities. Packing clothes for your destination is tricky because you want to be prepared for the weather, but also keep your luggage light. The best advice here is to check the climate forecast for your travel dates before packing. If you're going somewhere hot, pack lightweight, breathable fabrics that dry quickly and don't wrinkle easily. Think t-shirts, shorts, and maybe a hat for sun protection. If it's a colder destination, layering is your friend. Bring a few warm layers you can add or remove as needed. A sweater, a jacket, maybe a scarf or gloves. Also, think about the activities you'll be doing. Are you planning to hike? Then pack appropriate gear. Going out for dinners or cultural events? Bring something a bit nicer, but still comfortable. Try to choose clothes that can mix and match easily so you can create multiple outfits without packing too many items. Rolling clothes instead of folding can also save space and keep things neat. 6. Toiletries and personal care. Items toiletries can be a hassle because everyone has different needs, but packing smart will save time and space. First, check what's available at your destination. Some places have stores where you can buy basics like shampoo or toothpaste, while others might be more limited. Travel-sized bottles are your best bet because they fit easily in your bag and meet airline liquid restrictions if you're flying carry-on only. Pack your essentials: toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, sunscreen, and any medications or skincare products you use daily. If you wear contact lenses or glasses, don't forget those and the cleaning solution. Also, a small first aid kit with band-aids, pain relievers, and any prescription meds is always good to have just in case. Another tip is to bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated, especially on long flights or hot days. 5. Travel-friendly backpack or day pack. Even if you have a big suitcase, you'll want a smaller backpack or day pack to carry around during the day. This is where you'll keep your essentials like your wallet, phone, camera, water bottle, and maybe a snack. A good day pack makes it easier to explore without lugging your whole luggage around. Look for one that's lightweight, comfortable, to wear for hours, and has secure pockets to keep your things safe. Some backpacks even have anti-theft features, which is great if you're visiting crowded places. Plus, having a small bag makes airport transfers, bus rides, and walking tours much more convenient. 4. Travel insurance information. This one might not be as exciting as packing clothes, but it's super important. Travel insurance can save you a lot of trouble if something unexpected happens. It covers things like medical emergencies, lost luggage, or trip cancellations. Before you leave, make sure you have a copy of your travel insurance policy and emergency contact numbers. Pack this information somewhere easy to find, like your travel wallet or your day pack. If you do run into problems, having quick access to your insurance details can speed up getting help or filing claims. It's one of those things you hope you never need, but are glad to have when you do. 3. Snacks and food essentials. Depending on where you're going and how long your flights or journeys are, bringing some snacks is a smart move. Airport food can be expensive and not always healthy, and sometimes layovers or long bus rides mean you won't have easy access to meals. Pack some non-perishable snacks like nuts, granola bars, dried fruit, or crackers. These can keep your energy up and stop hunger from ruining your mood. Also, if you have any dietary restrictions or prefer certain foods, having your own snacks means you won't have to worry about finding suitable options on the go. Just be sure to check customs rules about bringing food into your destination. Country, since some items might not be allowed. 2. Copies of important cards and money. It's smart to carry some backup for your money and cards. Besides your main wallet with your credit or debit cards and cash, pack photocopies or take photos of them. Store these copies separately from your wallet, like in your suitcase or on your phone. This can be a lifesaver if your wallet gets lost or stolen. Also, bring a small amount of local currency for your destination before you arrive. Having cash on hand can make things like taxis, tips, or small purchases easier, especially when you first get there. Don't carry all your money in one place. Spread it out in different pockets or bags for extra security. And if you're traveling with someone else, it's good for each person to have their own backup just in case. 1. A positive attitude and open mind. Okay, this might not be a physical thing you can pack, but it's just as important as your passport or shoes. Traveling internationally means stepping into new cultures, trying different foods, meeting new people, and sometimes facing unexpected challenges. Things might not always go perfectly, and that's okay. Having a positive attitude and staying flexible will help you enjoy your adventure more. Be open to new experiences, even if they're a little outside your comfort zone. Laugh off small mistakes, ask for help when you need it, and soak in everything your trip has to offer. This mindset can turn good trips into unforgettable ones, and even turn difficult moments into funny stories to tell later. So there you have it. My top 10 must-pack items for your next international trip. From your passport to your attitude, these essentials will help you travel smarter, stay comfortable, and enjoy your adventure without unnecessary stress. Remember, packing isn't about bringing everything you own, but about bringing what matters most. Hopefully, this list makes your next packing session a little easier and your trip even better. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who love to travel, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Safe travels, and I can't wait to hear about your next trip.